Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Outliers are data points that significantly differ from the rest of the data. Finding outliers in a dataset is important for data cleaning and ensuring the accuracy of statistical analyses. In Python, we can use various methods to detect outliers. One common method to detect outliers is through the use of the interquartile range, IQR. The IQR is a measure of statistical dispersion, or in simpler terms, it represents the range of the middle 50% of the data. Data points that fall below Q1, 1.5 IQR or above Q3 plus 1.5 IQR are considered outliers. Here is a step-by-step guide with a code example on how to find outliers using the IQR method in Python. 1. Import the necessary libraries. 2. Generate a sample dataset. 3. Calculate the IQR and identify outliers. In this code example, we first generate a sample dataset with 100 data points where one data point is intentionally set as an outlier. We then calculate the first quartile, Q1, third quartile, Q3, and the IQR. Finally, we identify outliers that fall outside the lower and upper bounds based on the IQR. You can apply this method to your own datasets to detect outliers and decide how to handle them based on your analysis requirements.